Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Dr. Afzal Badshah and we are recording one podcast related to parenting and schooling. And if you haven't visited this, then please visit this and share with your network so that we may be able to change our society. Today we are going to cover that how we can make our children feel good. One day, early in the morning, I boarded a train for my school. There were two other women sitting on the second seat. They were also teachers and going toward their school. There was one child, perhaps 9 to 10 years old. He was also sitting there along with these teachers. And that time I was thinking that he is the son of these teachers. But after some time, he started collecting fare. He started managing passenger. At that time, I came to know that he is responsible than me. He is greater than me. His shoulders are heavier than me. At the same age, if any child studying in a fourth or fifth class, he hardly solved the questions of addition and subtraction. But at that time, in the same age, he was managing the whole train, all passengers. The train stops on the next stop. One passenger enters. He pushes the child towards the teachers and sit down along the gate. But at that time, this child was responsible. So he tried to get up and sat with the gate. The driver stops the vehicle, slapped the child heavily on his face, and he started weeping. At that time, from the entire train, no one asked the driver, "Why did you do this?" This is the condition of our road, that how we are feeling our children. We are giving them very bad, intensively bad society, intensively bad behaviors. And similarly, they will transferring the same to their children. They will transferring the same to the society. This was the road, but our schools, our education institutions are not so different. There was a child in 9 or 10 class, and at that time we were working on the uniform, we were working on the discipline, and we were handling all the cases very strictly. The child was not wearing the sweater. I can say that he was the only child of the school who was not wearing the sweater. His shoes were not good. His clothes were also not good. And these were the main reason that he was not interested in the classroom activities. He was not interested in the stage activities. He was also not participating with the friends. When we look into the matter, we came to know that he is not from any poor families. His father is a transporter. He is the owner of trucks. But the main problem was that he was not spending on their children, particularly on the education. And this was the main reason that this child was wasting and he was not participating in any school activity. This is the time that we should put every effort towards our children so that they may feel good. And when they may feel good, they will be better human beings. They will be motivated. They will be inspired, and they will be motivated toward their goals. And if we are feeling them so bad, they will copy all these things. They will feel shy, and when they will feel shy, when they are not confident, definitely they will not be going to become a good part of the society. They will become a bad part of the society. These are the practices which we have to stop there. We haven't to propagate them further. We haven't to transfer these behaviors in our parenting toward our next generation. Nothing is important than our children. What we are doing for our children. I'm discussing one simple activity with you. And I hope after going through this activity, you may be able to feel the children good. You can take one page, divide this into two columns, write on one column good feeling, and in the second write the bad feelings or the bad memories. In the good memories, what you have to do is, then you have to go into your childhood when uh, uh, you were child, and uh, what were the good memories from your parents or you from elders? How did you feel them good? You have to write all your memories in this column, good memories. Definitely there will be some memories where you felt bad or you were not happy. So what you have to do is, you have to collect all these memories, all these events, and you have to write all these memories into the second column, labeled with bad memories. After writing this, the good memories and the bad memories, after that you have to practice this in your own life. You have to stop, you have to eliminate all the bad memories, all the memories where you feel bad, all the memories where you were not feeling happy, where you were not motivated, where you were feeling sad, or where you felt anger. In the second, you have to copy all these memories, all these events, all these occurrings where you felt good, where you felt happy, where you uh, felt motivated. After going through this activity and after applying this, the good memories and the bad memories, eliminating the bad memories and starting with the good memories, I hope that you will feel that your child is feeling good. He is motivated towards their goals, and they have started working in their education. And so the main reason for writing all these memories on the medium in the book form and recording here in the podcast is that we have to stop all the bad practices which we have inherited from the inherited parenting, and we are practicing the same and transferring the same to our children. Definitely they will copy all these things and they will practice the same with their children. So what we have to do is, we have to stop all these practices. There are uh, other good practices in our inherited parenting, but there are also some bad practices which are badly affecting our parenting and our children. So we have to stop them and start with some new techniques, research techniques, and the good practices in the inherited parenting, so that we make our society positive. Thank you so much for watching.